This video is not your average run-of-the-mill history lesson on Mesopotamian mythology. Nope, not even close. We're taking a wild, whimsical detour into the realm of what if and exploring the extraterrestrial hypothesis with a pinch, okay, maybe a handful of creative liberty. So as we embark on this journey through space and time, remember, we're not claiming any of this as hard-hitting factual history. Viewer discretion is advised. Seeds of Nibiru, Chronicles of the Anunnaki Experiment. In the time when the celestial dance of planets orchestrated the fate of worlds, the Anunnaki, beings from the distant planet Nibiru, cast their gaze upon the blue jewel that was Earth. Among them, Enki, the wise and compassionate, conceived a daring experiment to infuse the clay of the Earth with the breath of Nibiru. The great assembly on Nibiru, presided over by Anu, the supreme ruler, sanctioned this audacious endeavor. The Anunnaki, adorned in celestial garments, descended upon Earth like cosmic architects, guided by the desire to create a being that would bear the essence of both worlds. In the heart of Eridu, the city of Enki, a sacred laboratory resonated with the hum of celestial machinery. Clay, the earthly substance, was carefully shaped into the form of the Anunnaki themselves. In the luminous chamber, Enki and his companions toiled with cosmic frequencies, weaving the strands of Nibiru's essence into the clay. As the cosmic energies mingled with the clay, the first prototypes of humanity emerged. These early beings, known as the Adamu, bore the Anunnaki's likeness but lacked the divine spark that would grant them consciousness. Enki, ever the compassionate scientist, looked upon his creations with empathy. In a clandestine act forbidden by the celestial laws, Enki and his sister Ninhursag infused the Adamu with the essence of their own divine life force, granting them self-awareness and the ability to evolve. The forbidden experiment kindled the flame of sentience in the eyes of the Adamu, and they gazed upon their creators with a thirst for understanding. Yet the experiment's clandestine nature did not escape the notice of the cosmic enforcers. As the Adamu walked the sacred soil of Eridu, the Anunnaki watched with a mix of parental pride and trepidation. The experiment had taken a life of its own, and the threads of destiny woven into the cosmic fabric unfolded a tale that transcended the boundaries of the celestial spheres. The Anunnaki, caught between the celestial laws and the burgeoning consciousness of their earthly creation, pondered the future. Would the Adamu, gifted with the spark of Nibiru's essence, ascend to heights beyond their creators, or would they be bound to the eternal dance of Earth and Nibiru, forever entwined in the cosmic tapestry? The Adamu, born of the forbidden experiment, flourished and multiplied. Yet, with the gift of consciousness came the burden of choice, and humanity's path diverged into realms of both light and shadow. The celestial experiment, bound by cosmic threads, teetered on the edge of a precipice. Enlil, the stern commander of the Anunnaki, surveyed the earth and saw the spiraling descent of the Adamu into realms of greed and violence. The guardian of the earthly experiment beheld a world veering towards chaos. Convinced that a cosmic reset was necessary, he called for a cleansing flood to wash away the wayward creations. A celestial council convened, echoing with the clash of differing destinies. Enki, the benevolent architect, saw potential for redemption in the very beings he had uplifted and defended his creation. Still, the fateful decision was made. A great flood would sweep across the earth, a baptism of cleansing. But Enki did not give up on his creation and, in his compassionate wisdom, sought to preserve a remnant of humanity, ensuring the continuation of the earthly experiment. In secrecy, he communed with Ziusudra, a righteous man among the Adamu, revealing the impending deluge and the means to survive. A divine vessel, a celestial ark, was crafted under Enki's guidance. Animals and plants, representatives of Earth's biodiversity, were chosen to accompany the remnants of humanity on this cosmic voyage. As the cosmic clock ticked towards the appointed hour, the celestial floodgates opened, unleashing the torrential waters that would reshape the face of the Earth. The Ark, born on the tumultuous waves, became a vessel of hope amidst the deluge of destiny. Days turned into nights, and nights into days, as the Ark floated upon the cosmic sea. The celestial forces, both just and merciful, guided the vessel to safety. As the waters receded, Ziusudra, the last scion of the Adamu, stepped onto the rejuvenated earth, carrying the seeds of humanity's redemption. The Anunnaki, observers from the celestial realm, beheld the aftermath. Enlil, satisfied with the purging flood, and Enki, harboring the flame of hope, watched as the cosmic experiment continued. The Adamu, survivors of the celestial baptism, faced a world reborn, and the destinies of Earth and Nibiru intertwined once more in the dance of cosmic evolution.